Good day. Let's talk beef ribs. Now, a lot of people go for pork, and I just happen to have some beef, so let's do some beef ribs. I'm going to show you how I cook these things to make them tender, fall off the bone juicy, and all in all, just amazing barbecued ribs. So let's get into it. You're going to need some barbecue sauce and some foil, a barbecue set to low temperatures like 200, 250 at the most, and a can of beer. All right, so foil's laid out, and I'm going to be doing this in 2 packs. And what we're going to do is we're going to put barbecue sauce all over the top of that, smother it really nicely, and cover it up. You're probably going to go, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. This is some pretty good stuff here. You're probably going to go through a bottle of this when you get done with all the ribs, but it's worth it. So let's get the barbecue sauce on there, and we'll make a boat. All right, so when I mean a boat, I'm going to bring the edges up. You can make like a vessel out of it. So that way, it holds in all of the liquid. Okay, now crack a beer. I'm using the finest, of course, PBR. And pour some in there. About that much. No measurements there, just about that much. Okay, now you're gonna probably have to end up using a couple things of foil to make sure it's fully sealed. So now that you got your boat wrapped up, put one more thing of foil on this thing, and let's go to the grill. I believe the proper word for this is slather. So this is my second rack I'm putting on, but I just wanted to see this. Vigorously put this on. You'll be adding more when you get it on the grill, but there we go. Check that out, slather. All right, put them on the grill, all wrapped up in their little boat, all nice and tight. And we're gonna let them sit for 2 hours. I'm gonna try to maintain this at about 225, but between 200 and 250 is safe. So let's go 2 hours, and then we'll check back in. So one of the things is, the reason why you want to keep it under 250 is barbecue sauce has sugar, and sugar burns really easily. So that's why I say 200 to 250, 225. I'm working it down right now, getting the temperature down. But 225 is what I'm going to aim for. I've got my grill set down to the very lowest setting with only 1 burner. So let's keep going. All right, been about 2 hours. Let's get them off the grill, and let's turn this grill up to full potential. So now we're going to do the reverse sear and get them browned up with some extra barbecue sauce. Let's make it happen. There we go. Look at that. Fall off the bone. There ain't no bone left. So now we're going to get these on the grill. Temperature's at about 450 right now, I believe. I don't have my glasses on, but that'll work. And then we'll slather them up with some more barbecue sauce. There we go, barbecue sauce. Get them all going home. Look at that. Look at them bones falling off. Hell, one of the bones felt left behind. It was so ready. I mean, it's just perfect. So get the thing all slathered up. A couple minutes in, give them a flip. That way they get the browned up. We're gonna add some more barbecue sauce. We're gonna slather that thing up. This is where you gotta be careful. This is where you can burn them. Get all that sauce on there. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Right there, that is some vittles right there. Don't care what you call it, it's vittles. Oh yeah. We be pulling these things off here real quickly like. That's a mess of vittles right there, let me tell you. Done deal. Like what you see, please like, follow, comment, share, and tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. Stay safe and keep your head on swivel.